sunny in the morning, then rain at times in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s.
Oh shoot.
Wind 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Oh my god, here we go.
Activate special bill receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. The forecast for the southwest interior, including Shelton, Olympia, Chehalis, and Toledo.
Alright, my room just blew up. That was really fun. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.